Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is the weavers wooden garden decor. Wooden decoration can give your garden a warm and natural feeling. You can use wooden sinks, small shelves, plant stand, box and decorative frame. All wooden can also be reused for dye project. A simple wooden sink with a short garden message can make the space feel more personal. You can even create a small wooden corner for your favorite plant. The garden bench. A garden bench can be both useful and decorative. Place a small bench under a tree and beside flower. Add a few comfortable cushions to make it more relaxing. Now you have our perfect little space where you can sit, enjoy the fresh air and look at your plant. A wooden bench surrounded by flowers can also become a beautiful background for garden photos and weavers. My next idea is weavers. Friends, my next idea is friends. Colorful flower pot. If you want to add more colorful to your garden, try decorating your flower pot. You can paint simple pots with flower leaves, pattern or simple design. Bright color can make the garden feel more happy and lively. Soft color can create a clean and elegant look. You can even create a matching collection for pots using the same colors and weavers. My next idea is weavers. Friends, and friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.